What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm gonna reveal how you can earn big with high ticket affiliate marketing step by step. Now this is 100% working today. Now you can see on the screen right here, this was a screenshot at the time of recording this video. This was yesterday at 1:54 p.m. You can see, congratulations, you have earned a $2,000 commission. This was a high ticket commission that I received, like I said, yesterday while I was out at the gym working out. This still came in. And what I'm gonna share with you inside this video is, first off, you'll see the exact new marketing campaign that I've been using that's been pumping out $2,000 instant commissions on autopilot. The amazing thing with this marketing campaign is not only is it a high converting funnel and system, but it's also going to pay you instantly when you start promoting this exact affiliate program. You'll discover also how you can swipe and deploy this exact campaign for yourself to start making profits online. So if you're not technical, if you don't have any experience, if you're brand new, you're gonna be able to use my exact marketing campaign that's working incredibly well for yourself, as you'll see a little bit later in this video. And you'll also see a very few simple, highly effective traffic methods, methods to get clicks to your funnel link that take less than 30 minutes a day to get laser targeted leads who will join you. So once you deploy my exact marketing campaign, your only job is gonna be to get visitors to your funnel link. And inside this video, I'm gonna share a couple powerful ways that myself and a lot of my successful teammates have been using to start to get people to join them. Now, be sure you stay to the very end of the video though, because you're even gonna discover how to set all of this up in about 10 minutes, even if you're not technical or you don't have a following at all. So stay tuned, because you do not wanna miss this. And also, at any time in this video, to start the process of accessing this exact marketing campaign, click the link below this video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, real quick, I just wanted to share a little bit more proof. So this is my Stripe account. Now, this is how we can actually get paid instant commissions. They'll pay you through Stripe, which will redirect to your bank account that you attach. And you can see right here that I had a payout of $5,675. Now, this already arrived in my bank account, This arrived this morning. And if I refresh this, you're gonna be able to see that this amount of money was able to deposit into my bank account. So you can see right here, it says paid, because this amount of money did actually end up into my account. So now that you see what's possible, the next thing I wanna do is I wanna share how this marketing campaign works, and then how you can actually deploy it for yourself. So what is the exact affiliate program I chose to promote with this marketing campaign? Well, it's called E1U Life. And if you haven't heard of it, the reason that I personally chose this specific program out of all the possible programs out there are for a couple of reasons. Number one is the thing we're actually promoting with this program, the thing we're selling to people, is incredibly valuable. And what it is it's basically helping business owners create a successful online business. So you can see that just some of the things they offer people are web pages, opt-in pages, sales funnels, logos, anything a person needs to make their business successful. So any potential business owner is our customer, So we're gonna be able to sell this program and these products to people that have a business. So they're already open to investing into things, because if they're business minded, they understand that they need tools and assets to grow a business. So it's very easy to make sales. Now you can see there's different packages that we can actually promote. And what I want to share with you is exactly how this marketing campaign gets people wanting to buy, wanting to join, and then if they want to become an affiliate, they can also start to create these high ticket commissions. Because another reason I love E1U Life is when you make a referral, you don't have to wait 2 weeks to a month to get paid. You get paid instantly, close to 100% commissions, So when you make a Vertex Live sale, for example, this will pay you $2,000. So $500 goes to the company owner, and then $2,000 goes to you instantly. And that's how we're able, myself and my teammates, to generate these daily $2,000 commissions. So now that you see this, this is how my marketing campaign that I've created recently works. And this is how you're gonna be able to use this to create those results as well. So you can see right here, 200 clicks of top tier traffic, and I'll talk about that in a second, how you can literally get 200 clicks of top tier traffic for free going to your funnel link when you join at a certain level. But let's look at the second phase first, okay? So it says right here, our high converting funnel with pre-written follow-up emails. So when you actually go to the link under this video, what you're gonna get taken to is this page here. Now, not only are you gonna be able to see this and go through the process of the funnel yourself so you can see how high converting it is, but you're gonna actually be able to use this exact funnel as well. Now, this is the exact funnel that I used to get paid over $5,000 from Stripe. This is the exact funnel that I used to generate that $2,000 commission yesterday while I was at the gym, okay? So the way this works is simple. You'll get access to this exact funnel, and when you send people to this link, that's all you have to focus on is sending visitors to your funnel link. They'll get taken to this page. Now what happens is, they'll click this button, they'll put their name and email in, and then they'll click submit. Now again, you're gonna wanna do that too. When you join and sign up through us, our team, inside of this campaign, you're gonna wanna do the same thing. So you're not doing anything that people you're recommending aren't gonna do. So while you're watching this video, feel free to pause it, go to the link below, click this button, and then you put your name and your email in. Because again, I wanna walk you through the process, and you'll also go through this exact process to get started yourself. So once the person puts their name and email in, they're gonna get taken to this page here. Now this page has a video where I've spent my time, effort, and money into creating a high converting video that's sole job is to inspire people, share results, and also get them to want to join you. And what's gonna happen is on this page, okay, I have testimonials from my past students. I have all the bonuses listed. So I've created these incredibly valuable bonuses that I give people for free when they join me. But the cool thing is when you join us, okay, and you leverage our exact marketing campaign, you're gonna be able to give these bonuses away as your own. So it's really powerful and they're really good at converting people. So what's gonna happen is people can look over this page, they see the testimonials, and then when they're ready to join, and again, this video does a great job at getting people to join, they're gonna click this button. And again, you wanna do the same thing. When I'm describing this, I want you to look at it from two different ways. One, this is what people that you send to the funnel will do, but this is also what you need to do one time to set up your campaign. So this is how you set things up, and this is how your people will set this up. So you just click get started, and then this is gonna take you to the sign up form to create an account inside of E1U Life. Again, this is the exact program we're promoting. Very simple, you wanna fill out your name, your email, okay, create a password, username, put your address, and click submit. Now, once you do that, you're gonna get taken to your back office. Now, the first time you log in, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see all the different levels that a person can join. And because you're brand new, it's gonna show this icon that it's locked. So the first step in order to promote this program to other people, you need to actually own one of the packages. So with E1U Life, we earn commissions and money at the level we join and all the levels under it. So that's why it's best to join as high as possible. Now, if you wanna earn those $2,000 commissions, just like myself and tons of my teammates that you may have seen recently, I'm sharing a lot of proof on Facebook, on YouTube. What you wanna do is join at least at the Vertex Live level, because that's gonna qualify you for those $2,000 commissions. So you wanna click on Vertex Live, and that's gonna pop up this pop-up. Very simple, okay? It's a one-time payment of $2,500. Now, not only do you unlock Vertex Live, not only do you unlock Vertex Live and all the levels under it, not only do you unlock the ability to earn close to 100% commissions instantly of $2,000, but you also access the ability to have a built-for-you website. You access the multi-page funnel, the custom logo, email templates. You unlock all these incredible resources, assets. You unlock video training in your back office. So you're not just investing into nothing. You're investing into high quality marketing assets, the same assets we're promoting to other business owners you're gonna get access to, but you're also, since you're watching this video, gonna be able to promote this as an affiliate to generate high ticket commissions. Okay, so it's really killing two birds with one stone. Now, once you go here and you click continue to checkout, you're gonna get taken to this page. Now, all you wanna do is you wanna fill out your debit or credit card information, go to the bottom, country, and then click the orange button, pay. And then that's gonna go through and that's gonna unlock that level and all the levels under it. So you will see right here, all these levels will not have this icon and it'll actually be unlocked. Now, for whatever reason, if you're watching this and you just can't afford the $2,500 payment, feel free to come in whatever level you can and you can upgrade later. You can still use this marketing campaign. Now, I wanna go back here. So if I go back to this page, you're gonna see all these bonuses that you get when you actually join our team, right? You get the converting funnel, which is the exact funnel right here. Okay, with this page, you're getting the exact funnel we're using. You get an email series for your leads. So a pre-written follow-up email sequence that will start following up with your leads. Access to private trainings. Okay, so I go live once a week. I have different trainings on what to say if someone messages you ready to join, things like that. Now this right here, this is the only bonus, okay, that you will not get access to if you join lower than the Vertex Live level. So if you join at the Vertex Live level or higher, you're even gonna get 200 top tier clicks to your funnel. So whoever you join through, if you're watching my video, Garrett Berry, you're gonna get those clicks from me. If you're joining one of our teammates, you're gonna get clicks from them. And they will actually start sending those clicks to your funnel link to start getting traffic instantly. And a lot of those leads will go through. And because this is a high converting funnel, a lot of people will decide to buy. Okay, now there's no guarantee, but chances are a lot of people will actually be interested in joining one of the levels. So if I go back to the flow chart, this is how this marketing campaign has been working. If you've seen my Facebook post recently, again, if you've seen my stories, I've been sharing a lot of results. This is how I'm doing it. This is how our team is doing it. Number one, right here, you have the high converting funnel with pre-written follow-up emails. If you have the Vertex Live or higher level, you will get those 200 clicks that go to your funnel link. The funnel and the pre-written emails are gonna send people to your E1U Life affiliate link. Okay, so you will put your link in those emails and you will start getting clicks and signups through you, not me, not our teammate, you. And then what's gonna happen is you will start getting those instant paying $2,000 commissions. Now, you may also receive a $500 commission. You may receive a $4,500 commission, which is one of the higher levels. So it depends, but this is how it works. Now, before I get going, again, there's gonna be a link directly below to get started. The other thing I'll share is if you can't join at the Vertex Live level, or if you wanna also drive other forms of traffic, I wanna share with you how you can get more clicks to your funnel link as well. So one way you can do it is when you join, what's gonna happen is you're gonna receive an email. Okay, so it could be from me if you join me, it could be from one of my teammates if you join them. You're gonna receive an email with a link to join our private team Facebook group. Now, before you join, you're gonna have to answer a question on who you joined through. So we're gonna verify you're actually a member of our team. But once you do that, the pinned post right here is gonna have 11 fast start steps to know exactly how to set things up and how to start getting traffic. Okay, so step one is how to access your high converting funnel, how to access our 14-day email series with the share code so you can just import it, etc. How to get 200 traffic clicks, like how to actually get the person you joined through to deliver those for you. To help you out, I'm even giving you access to my YouTube videos that you can upload on your own YouTube channel to get organic free traffic on autopilot. So due to popular demand, a lot of people realize that I personally am getting a lot of sales from YouTube and they don't want to put their face out there. You know, they don't want to create their own videos. They don't want to be on camera. Not to worry. With this Google document that I'm constantly uploading for our team, you're going to be able to get access to those videos. I show you how to download them to your device and then re-upload them on your YouTube channel. And then you just put your funnel link in the description under the video and you'll get credit. In fact, you may even be watching this very video on someone else's channel and they're part of our team and they're actually getting traffic to the link. Okay, so this works incredibly well and you want to go ahead and do that. And then one other way you can get traffic, which I'm using, a lot of our successful teammates are using, is just your Facebook profile. So if you have a good cover photo, somewhat professional profile photo, you can just make these posts here. Now, our teammates are sharing proof, okay, often inside of our Facebook group, inside of our community. So you can just take other people's proof. You don't even have to have your own. And you just post this on your profile, okay? And you can tell people to comment, you know, a specific word below. And then when people comment, okay, and I posted this just, you know, about an hour ago, 52 minutes ago, I'm already getting people commenting, you know, 2K sales, which I told them to comment. And then I just messaged them my funnel link. I literally just messaged them this link here. And the funnel does all the telling and selling for me. And it will for you as well when you go down below and you access this exact campaign. So I hope this made sense. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to comment them under this video. I'll be sure to answer them, or whoever's uploading this video on their channel will answer them. Be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest videos. And again, I hope you got value. I wanted to share what's actually working for me, for my team, to generate these high ticket commissions. So go down below, check this out, and I will see you over on the next page.